Let's try a couple of the one-step and two-step inequalities. So you're going to go about these just like you would any other equation with the solving steps that you'll take, and then you're just going to graph it after you go ahead and get your variable by itself. So here on number 1, we want to do what? Add 7 to each side, right? So that cancels out there, and then we are left with negative 12 plus 7 is greater than x. So really, what does that mean? So negative 12 plus 7 will give you a negative 5, which is greater than x. And as I said in the other video, if you need to rewrite that where you're flipping it around, kind of the mirror image, so you can see what it is you're actually graphing, it's going to be that. So what we're graphing is x is less than negative 5. So let's go grab negative 5 on our number line, which will be right here. We're going to leave it open because we don't have that equal to underneath, and negative 5, so anything less than is going to be this direction, right? Okay, so that's how we would solve a one-step, and just watch out for if you are multiplying or dividing each side by a negative. And then now let's take a look at a two-step. So it's the same thing. You've done two-step equations. You're just going to solve as you normally would. So for number 1, we need to subtract 4, and then now we have this 2x is greater than or equal to 20. And then we're going to divide each side by 2. And now we know that x is greater than or equal to 10. And then that's what you're going to graph. So again, we're going to leave that circle open because it doesn't, oh, we're going to close it in. Actually, it has that equal to. So it's anything greater than or equal to. So we're going to go that direction on our graph, okay? And if you see some where you are having to distribute out first, that's okay. You know how to do that. Just go about business as you would. And just again, watch if you ever multiply or divide each side by a negative, because as we've learned, that is going to flip your inequality sign around.